Ah.
This is indeed a very proud moment for our Pradnya School, Pedne Taluk and the whole state of Goa. Four of our students, Mayank, Nirbhay, Manish and Dilraj have won the third prize at the international level coding and robotics competition line following held at Dubai. We are very proud of you dear students and our computer teacher Sri Prasad Gadekar sir, who trained these students to achieve this success. At this moment, I would like to thank Honorable Minister of WRD Subhash Shirodkar sir, MLA of Penne Taluka Praveen Adekar sir, MLA of Mandre Constituency G. Tarolkar sir, ZP member Radhika Palekar sir, and Sarpanch of Korgaville Panchayat, Devidas Nagvekar, all parents, management, PTA, all the staff and students of Pradnya School for your support and encouragement. At this instance, I would like to tell there is a lot of potential and talent in the rural students. It is the duty of all the teachers to nurture this talent so that they can bring laurels to our school as well as for our state. So congratulations students and wish you a very bright future in coding and robotics.
खरोखर आनंदाचा क्षण आहे. पेडणे तालुक्यातील प्रज्ञा हायस्कूल कोरगाव येथील विद्यार्थी मयंक, मनीष आणि निर्भय यांनी जे जागतिक पातळीवर आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तरावर रोबोटिक ऑलिम्पिकमध्ये ते यश मिळवलेले आहे. खरोखर कौतुकास्पद आहे. त्यांचं मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन. त्याचप्रमाणे त्यांचे महागुरू, त्यांचे मार्गदर्शक प्रसाद गडेकर यांचंही मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन करतो. त्याचप्रमाणे या विद्यार्थ्यांना पाठिंबा देणाऱ्या त्या पालकांचंही मी मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन करतो. आणि यापुढेही अनेक विद्यार्थी प्रसाद सरांनी घडवून आमच्या शाळेचे नाव, आमच्या राज्याचे नाव आणि देशाचे नाव उज्ज्वल करावे, त्यासाठी भावी आयुष्यासाठी मनपूर्वक शुभेच्छा देतो. धन्यवाद.
नमस्कार. प्रज्ञा हायस्कूलचे स्टुडंट आयज आमचे इंटरनॅशनलाक रोबोटीक कॉम्पिटिशनाक थर्ड प्रायज घेतलेले आसा आनी तेंचे वेलकम करपाक आमी दाबोळी एअरपोर्टार आमी रावलेले आसात आनी तांकां आमचे बुके दिवन आमी तेंचे स्वागत केल्लेले आहात. तशेंच आमचे स्टुडंटांनी आपले प्रज्ञा हायस्कुलाचे नाव, तशेंच आपल्या पेरंट्साचे आनी आमच्या तालुकाचे, आमच्या गोंयाचे नाव उज्वल केले आहा. ती इंटरनॅशनल पदक घेवन येयलेले आसात आनी तांकां आमकां गर्व दिसता की आमी एक गांवांतले भुरगे आमचे आयज इंटरनॅशनलाक वचोन प्रायज घेवन येता, ही अभिमान आमकां दिसता. आनी अशेंच तेंच्यांनी फुडें वचोन आमच्या स्कुला खातीर, गांवा खातीर, आमच्या गोंया खातीर अशेंच काम करूचें आनी फुडच्या वाटचाली तांकां शुभेच्छा दिता. तशेंच सगळ्यांनी जी मदत केला तांकां हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तशेंच आमच्या पेरंट्सांनी वचोन तेंच्यांनी बरें तेंच्या वांगडा रावन तांकां बरे भशेन हाडले, तांकांय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की बरे भशेन वचप, थंयसले क्लायमेटय सूट जावपाक जाय. आनी सगळ्यांक परत एकदां आमच्या स्टुडंट्स तशेंच आमची मिनी PS हेडमास्टर तेंचेय अभिनंदन करता, सगळ्या टिचर्सांचेय अभिनंदन करता आनी म्हाजी 2 उतरां काबार देव.
Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Mayank Sandeep Kodankar, and I am also part of this team. I thank my team and our sir for their efforts. Our school is at a rural state, but we have represented the country at an international level. It is not easy to represent a country at an international level. In this robotics and coding, we have taken more efforts, but the credit is gone to our sir, Mr. Prasad Gadekar. I thank him for giving us good way of life. Thank you.
Morning, my name is Durbay Manastakar and I am also part of this team. From last 2 years we were participating in this robotics competition. And first year we were just participated and went to Delhi. In second year we went to Gujarat. And now this year we went first at Gujarat. Then we won there, got first prize, and we went to now Dubai and we got the third prize here. I especially thanks to my parents who were supporting us continuously and our sir who is helping us every time and any time. Thank you.
Myself Manish Mahadev Gandhi. First of all, I feel very proud to represent India at the international level, and after that Goa and our Pendem Taluka and our school Prajna High School. It's a wonderful experience for us to participate at the international level. We were aiming at the first place, but we were first in the all three rounds. But at last we came third, but we never gave up until last. And I thank all of our teachers, mentor, and all of our staff and teaching, non-teaching staff for encouragement and their support. Thank you. From last 2 years, we were participating in WSR competition. Last year, our both teams got selected, and this year also. But in the nationals, our first team got first place and second team fifth. But both were excited to go to the international for the first and second place. In international, our first team came third and our second team came sixth. I would like to thank all the teachers, our HM and PTA chairman for coming here and welcoming us. I thank Sir Prasad Gadekar for his encouraging and hard work.
Good morning, my name is Prasad Gadekar. We have been in robotics from the last 2 years, and I feel very good that we won the state level, national level, and the international level. We were able to get the third prize. We were in the all 5 rounds. We were in the first place, but due to some battery issues that came out, we came third. But still, our robot was able to complete the track. So it feels very good to represent India at the international level. Our students, they from the last 1 year, they took a lot of hard work. Special thanks to parents for their support and encouragement. I also thank our headmistress for her valuable support. Whenever I ask her to give us one full day for the practice, she has always given. Then I would like to thank our PTA chairman for his valuable support for gathering funds also. He was with us. Then I would like to thank our parent Raju Narse, whose support was always with us, and he also came here to welcome us. Thank you so much.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.